What is the primary disadvantage of grouped data? Does not accurately represent the distribution of individual data points, requires more storage space compared to ungrouped data, cannot be used to calculate statistical measures such as mean and median, does not allow for direct comparison between individual data points. Right option is option A. Which of the following is an example of grouped data? Weights of students recorded individually without grouping, heights of trees measured in meters and stored in a database, monthly incomes of employees listed in alphabetical order, ages of individuals categorized into age groups from 0 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30, and so on. And the right option is option D. What is the mean of ungrouped data? The middle value of a data set, the sum of all data points divided by the number of data points, the value that appears most frequently in a data set, the difference between the highest and lowest values in a data set. The right option is option B, the sum of all data points divided by the number of data points. How is the mean of grouped data calculated? By finding the median of each class interval, by taking the middle value of a data set, by multiplying the frequency of each class by its midpoint and then dividing by the total frequency, by counting the number of data points in each class interval and then averaging them. And the right option is option C. What is the formula for calculating the mean of an ungrouped data? Mean is equal to sum of data points divided by total number of data points. Mean is equal to largest data point minus smallest data point. Mean is equal to median of a data points. Mean is equal to mod of data points. And the right option is option A, that is sum of all data points divided by total number of data points.